So you the man and you think that you ballin'. Tax season here, so now you shot callin'. Started the year off riding on the bus, then you bought a new car. Spent your money up by the next month. It was getting repossessed, money management, it was all just a mess. Now you home just feeling so stressed, cause income tax ballin', nah, it's not the best. So now you got your credit score messed up, bills coming in and they keep piling up. Now I think that you need Credit 360. Remove the negatives on your report quickly. Late payments, foreclosures, repossessions, and collections all gone. Now you passing the inspection, helping good people with bad credit. Go with Credit 360, you won't regret it. Yeah, now check them out on credit360.biz. Or hit them up at 1-866-840-4646. Yeah, and you can download the app in the App Store and on Google Play. Yeah. Alright.